This is Christine, and I'm reviewing this body cam camera. So when you first get it, it's in a box like this. And so in the box is the webcam, and then the charging USB cable, and then this one. And then, oh, and also like a little clip that you can put on your shirt that says reminding you're in camera. So that's just a poorly translated saying or warning to other people that you are recording them. I don't plan on using this, but it is in there. So when you first get it, you just take the battery cover off and you put the battery in there. And it's easy to put in, and behind there is a place to put a SD card. And then there's another place here on the side where you can put a second SD card. And you don't have to put both of them in. In fact, I would recommend just using the one here on the outside. Then as the cover on the back, you can either choose this one that has a clip on it so that you can attach it to a shirt. And they've improved this clip. I read some older reviews where people said it was poorly made. This one's pretty strong, so, and they did say that they improved the clip. Or you can just put a smooth cover on, like this one. So after you do that, the on button, you charge the battery, and then the on button is here on top. And you press that for 3 seconds, and then the light will start flashing there. And here in the back, you can see what you're recording. And the picture on here is not very good, but that's not how you would be watching the videos that you record anyways. I mean, you can do that for a little bit, but you would be downloading it to your computer and watch it on there. Now there's several settings you can do on there. You can choose to record with audio or without. You can put timestamps on there or not. And you can do still pictures, or you can do video, and then you can choose if you want a high quality video or lower quality. So depending on what your needs are, you can change those settings. So you know, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, and it will record, and people can see that you're recording. When I wore it, people would say, "Hey, are you recording me?" But then soon they would forget that I had it, and people would act naturally again. I do like it. It's nice to take, you know, I don't use it professionally at all. I just use it for fun, or when I do certain things where I remember what I did. So it's good for that for me. I know a lot of people use this professionally, and I think this is a good device to do that. The one thing I didn't like is these little rubber flaps here. They don't stay on at all. I mean, I wish they would stay in there better to protect those ports, and they just don't. You know, I've been playing with them and they just come right out again. So that was a big negative that I just didn't like. However, you know, when it's in your pocket, it's not that big of a deal. So I still rated it 5 stars. I mean, for the price, it's a good device, and you know, if that's really the only thing I didn't like, I think that's okay. Yeah, I would highly recommend it. I wouldn't watch back the video on this little thing, like I said before. Just download it and watch it on the big screen. But it's fantastic for what it's designed to do. So, and the 2 different backs are nice too. This clip here just goes the other way. So depending on if you want to have that clip or this way, you can clip it 2 different ways to your shirt. So yeah, I would recommend it. It's nice.